Behind every donut is a tightly controlled industrial process, even inside a neighborhood store.
Every ingredient arrives pre-tested and standardized through Dunkin's supply chain.
Precise ratios control fermentation, sweetness, and browning.
Mixing begins the mechanical transformation of raw ingredients into dough.
Initial low-speed mixing hydrates flour without damaging gluten. High-speed mixing builds the elastic gluten network.
Final dough temperature determines fermentation performance.
The dough now enters controlled fermentation. Heat and humidity activate yeast metabolism.
Yeast converts sugar into gas, expanding the dough.
Fermented dough is sheeted to precise thickness. Uniform thickness ensures even frying. Cutters form donuts within strict weight tolerances. Scrap dough is reused to minimize waste.
Proofing gives donuts their final rise.
This stage defines height and softness. Frying is the most dangerous and transformative step.
At nearly 180 degrees Celsius, water flashes to steam.
Precise timing ensures even color and texture. The Maillard reaction creates aroma and color. Excess oil drains immediately. Cooling stabilizes internal structure. Glazing cannot begin until temperatures drop. Glaze temperature controls coating thickness. Uniform glazing defines the final appearance.
Excess glaze is recovered and reused.
Filled donuts require precise injection. Fill weights are controlled within 1 gram. Timing ensures toppings adhere properly. Oil quality directly affects flavor and cost. Critical temperatures are continuously logged.
Strict freshness limits protect brand quality.
Presentation influences consumer choice.
Expired products are removed from sale.
Sanitation is critical for safety and quality.
Daily cleaning maintains food safety standards. Supply chains keep production continuous.
Standardization ensures identical products worldwide.
Margins depend on precision and waste control.
Workflow design minimizes labor cost.
Store-made donuts emphasize freshness.
In-store systems differ from fully automated factories.
Freshness is intentionally limited.
Visual appeal drives impulse purchases.
Speed and repetition define profitability.
Every stage is tightly linked.
The final product hides immense complexity.
Consistency is engineered, not accidental. Thousands of donuts move through this system daily. Procedures are identical worldwide. Energy use is carefully managed.
Waste reduction improves margins.
The system resets daily. Production begins before customers arrive.
Demand drives continuous output.
Simple products rely on complex systems.
Repeatability ensures predictability.
Deviation is not permitted. Agriculture meets industrial engineering. Scale defines profitability.
I'll take the chocolate glaze, please.
Oh, get the sprinkles too.
These look amazing.
The system never truly stops.